Hi guys, this is your Math Master Vic once again. Thank you for viewing my previous videos. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now for you to be updated with my next videos. You can leave a comment below for suggestions for my next video uploads. Today, we are going to do exercises involving geometric sequence. Are you ready? Let's start!
Number 1, there are 5 bacteria in a petri dish and it's numbered triples every minute. How many bacteria are in the petri dish after 10 minutes? Okay, so in the petri dish there are 5 bacteria. Okay, there are 5 bacteria in the petri dish. Now in every minute, so in the first minute it's number triples every minute, so that will be it, the number will become 15, and next minute it will become 45, and so on and so forth, right, up to the 10 minutes, right? So questions, how many bacteria will there be in the petri dish after 10 minutes? Okay, so the formula that we're going to use is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 multiplied by the ratio times to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so n is of course equals to 10, then the ratio is the second divided by the first, so that will be 45 over 15, which is equals to 3. Okay, and then a sub 1 is just equals to 15. Okay, the 5 here is considered as a sub 0. Okay, because a sub 1 must start in the first minute. Okay, so let's solve this one. So this one is a sub 10, which is the question for how many bacteria in the petri dish after 10 minutes. This will be equals to 15 multiplied by r, which is equals to 3 to the power of n minus 1, 10 minus 1. Okay, so this is equals to 15 times 3 to the power of 9. Now, what is 3 to the power of 9? 3 to the power of 9 is just 19,683. 19,683. So therefore, we multiply that with 15. This will give us an answer of 295,245 bacteria in the petri dish after 10 minutes. Oh, so many bacteria. 295,245. Okay, now let's go to the next number. Question number 2. One stormy day, the principal of your school announces through text, the message, the suspension of classes to 3 teachers. So the principal sent through text to 3 teachers, each of whom sends this message to 3 other teachers, and so on. If the pattern is consistent and counting the principal's text message as the first, how many text messages were sent in all, given that the text messages were sent in 6 rounds? Okay, so first text message was sent by the principal to 3 teachers, right? So in the first round, there are 3 text messages. Second round, this is first round, 1 round. Okay, second round. Okay, first, this is first round. Second round is, so that's 3 times 3. So that is 27. and so on and so forth until 6 rounds, right? 6 rounds, sixth round. Okay, until the 6th round. Question, we don't know here. And question is how many text messages were sent in all? So we need to find the total number. Total. This is the final question. Okay, so our formula should be S sub n, which is equals to a sub 1 times 1 minus the ratio r to the power of n all over 1 minus r. Okay, now in the what should be n? A sub 1 first should be equals to 3, and then n should be equals to 6. Okay, because there are 6 rounds, and then the ratio r must be the second round, the number in the second round divided by the number in the first round. Okay, so 27 over 3, that is equals to 27 divided by 3. Wait. Second row, it triple. Sorry, it's not 27. Sorry. This is just 3 times 3. It must be 9 because it's triple. Okay, it's wrong. So this must be 9. 9 over 3 is equals to 3. The ratio should be 3. Okay, so let's solve it. S in 6 round. Okay, the total of text messages sent in 6 rounds. So a sub 1 is equals to 3, and then 1 minus the ratio 3 to the power of n, which is equals to 6, all over 1 minus r, which is equals to 3. Okay, so this is equals to 3. Now 1 minus what is 3 to the 6th? 3 to the 6th power is 729, all over 1 minus 3, which is equals to 2. Okay, so this will just be equals to the 3 times negative 728, right? All over 2. Okay, what's the final answer? The final answer, we need to write the final answer here now. S to the power of 6 is equals to 728. You divide it with 2, and then you multiply it with 3. It should be, oh, this should be negative for the 2. Negative here for the 2. This should be positive 1092 text messages. This is the answer, 1092 text messages. Okay, that's the answer for number 2. Okay, good. Now let's go to number 3. Oops, number 3. A free falling object falls 1 meter during the first second. Okay, in the first second, 1 meter. Okay, 5 meters during the next second, so that's the second second, that will be 5, and then 25 for the third. Okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, if this pattern continues, how many meters will the object fall during the 10th second? Okay, 10th second, how many meters will that be? So okay, so we're going to use the formula a sub n, which is equals to a sub 1 times r to the power of n minus 1. Given that, okay, given that this is 1, it looks like 2. Given that a sub 1 should be equals to 1, r must be a sub 2 over a sub 1, which is equals to 5, and then n is 10. Okay, so let's answer it. A sub 1 is, okay, this will be A sub 10. Okay, the number of meters the object will fall during the 10th second. So A sub 1 is equals to 1 multiplied by 5 to the power of 10 minus 1. Okay, so this is just equals to 1 times 5 to the power of 9, which is just equals to 1 times what? 5 to the power of 9 is just equals to, it's a big number, 1,953,125 meters. That will be meters. So you just multiply it with 1. The answer is just the same, 953,000 253,125 meters. This is A sub 10. A sub 10, which is the answer. This is in meters. Okay, this is in meters. Meters. Don't forget the unit. Okay, 1,953,125. 125. Okay, now let's go to the number 4. Let's go to number 4. Number 4, you accept a job that pays a salary of 10,800 the first year. During the next 29 years, you receive a 5% increase each year. So in the first year you receive 10,800, and during the next 25 years, so this will be the first, okay, or this will be 2. Maybe you consider that one as 2. That will be, you receive an increase of 5% each year. So that will be 10,800 multiplied by 1.05, which is the increase. 100% plus 5%, so that's 1.05. So what would be the total salary over a 30-year period? Okay, this is the first year, right? Plus 29, that will be 30 here. Okay, what would be your total salary? Okay, over a 30-year period. Okay, so we're going to solve for S sub n, which is equals to A sub 1 times 1 minus R. Okay, the ratio will be R to the n over 1 minus R. Okay, let's get the details. A sub 1, of course, is equals to 10,800. You get a salary of 10,800 in the first year. Then your ratio will be A sub 2 divided by A sub 2, which is 10,800 multiplied by 1.05. Oh no, 1.05 divided by 10,800. Okay, we will just cancel this one. Therefore, the answer for R is just 1.05. Okay, 1.05. And then the N is a 30-year period, so that will be 30. Okay, so this will be A sub 1 is equals to 10,800 times 1 minus R, which is equals to 1.05 to the power of n, which is 30, all over 1 minus 1.05. Okay, so we need to solve for this. 10,800 times 1 minus, okay, what is 1.05 to the power of 30. Okay, it's a long number. 4.321942,375. Okay, so that it will be accurate. All over 1 minus 1.052. Okay, so we will get the final answer here. Oops. S sub n. Okay, S sub n is just S sub 30. Okay, S sub 30 is just equals to, okay, use the calculator. So, so 10,800 multiplied by, so 10,800. One, do you do the first, in the middle, one, in the parenthesis, 1.1 minus 4.321942,375 divided by 1 minus 1.05 multiplied by 10,800 is just around 717 point. Okay, let's just put 1,000, two decimal places, 539.55. Okay, 0.55, which is the answer for question number 4. 717,539.55 pesos. Okay, this will be in pesos. Okay, that is your answer for question number 4. Let's go to question number 5. Question number 5. After graduation, Rufel found a job that offers a monthly salary of 13,500. Okay, monthly salary is 13,500. He saved 5,000 out of his monthly salary for 1 year and invested the amount in a company that offers 4% interest compounded annually. How much will this investment be worth at the end of 5 years? So we will not think about the monthly salary, but we will just look at the 5,000 which he saved from his monthly salary. Okay, for in 1 year, so in the first year he saved 5,000, right? And invested the amount in a company that offers he saved 5,000 out. Oh no, he saved 5,000 out of his monthly salary for 1 year. Okay, so if 1 year, that will be 12 months. So that is 5,000 in every year. He will save 5,000 per month times 12 months. That will be 5,000 multiplied by 12. That is 60,000 pesos. 60,000 pesos saved per year. Okay, per year. Okay, and invested the amount in a company that offers 4%. Okay, saved in 1 year. Sorry, not per year. In 1 year. In 1 year. In 1 year. In 1 year only. Okay, and then he invested this saving 60,000 in a company that offers 4% interest compounded annually. So, how much will this investment be worth at the end of 5 years? Okay, so this investment is just savings for 1 year only. So in the next year he did not save, so he just used the 60,000 to be saved with an annual interest of 4%. Okay, so 5 years. So in the first year, so starting money 60,000, right? So in the first year that will be 60,000, right? Times 1.04. There's an interest of 1.04. In the second year also, okay, the amount times 1.04 again. Okay, the answer here, and then 1.04 again. Now, question, how much will this investment be worth at the end of 5 years? So in 5 years, okay, after 5 years, how much will this investment be worth at the end of 5 years? Okay, so he needs to get the interest here. At the end of 5 years, so how much will the money be here? Okay, this is the question. Okay, in the end of 5 years, how much will the money be at the end of 5 years? Okay, so that will be a sub n, which is equals to, a sub n, not a sub 10, a sub n, which is equals to a sub 1 times r to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so a sub 1 is just equals to 60,000 multiplied by 1.04, right? That is a sub 1 times r, which is equals to the ratio of r divided by the is just equals to 1.04. It's just the same. Then n is just 5 years. Okay, n 5 minus 1, which is equals to so that will be 60,000 times 1.04. That will give you a 62,400, and then multiplied by 1.04 to the power of 4, because 5 minus 1 is 4. That will be 1 point, it's a long number, 16985856. Okay, so the final answer will be, this is a sub what? A to 5. A sub 5. So the final answer will be a sub 5 is just equals to, multiplied to 62,400. That is just equals to a peso. It's in pesos. 72,900 for almost 73,999 and 17 centavos. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, a to the a sub 5, or the investment worth at the end of 5 years, that will become 72,999 and 17 centavos. Okay, from 60,000 saved. Okay, that is the answer for number 5. Okay, we're finished with the 5 questions for the geometric sequence. We will now go to the numeracy skill. Okay, numeracy skill. Let's solve for this. Okay, 5 times a blank is equals to 35. So we're going to leave the blank here is equals to 35 divided by 5, which is equals to 7. So the answer here is 7. Okay, now next here, okay, there will be the blank, which is equals to 56. Then you divide negative 8. That will be equals to negative 7. Oh, negative 7 also. So the answer is negative 7. Okay, number 3. Number 3, that will be, that will just be 7 times 9, which is equals to 63. Okay, it's just 63. We just multiply 7 times 9, so that is 63. Okay, now let's go to here, which is a blank, is just equals to negative 18 divided by 6, which is just equals to negative 3. Okay, so the answer here is negative 3. And for number 5, our answer for number 5 will be, it's just negative 9 times 6, which is just equals to negative 54. Negative 54. That is the answer here. Negative 54. Okay, that is the numeracy skill. This is the last part of this generalization uh, uh, math module topic. Okay, guys, thank you. Goodbye. Take care.